Instagram, your money-making machine. Imagine turning your everyday social media activity into a lucrative income stream. Yes, you heard that right. Instagram can be your very own money-making machine. Want to make money online? It's easier than you think. With just a few clicks and some creativity, you can start earning from the comfort of your home. Instagram is the place to be. Forget complicated websites. No need to navigate through endless pages or deal with confusing interfaces. Instagram simplifies the process, making it accessible for everyone. Instagram is easy and fun. You can share your passions, connect with like-minded individuals, and build a community, all while making money. It's a win-win situation. Plus, you can make serious cash. We're talking dollars, we're talking rupees. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra on the side or make a full-time income, Instagram offers endless opportunities. And guess what? AI can help you get there faster. With advanced algorithms, Instagram can boost your visibility and engagement, helping you reach a larger audience and maximize your earnings. You don't need to be a tech genius. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, so you can focus on creating great content and connecting with your audience. This guide will show you how. From setting up your profile to creating engaging posts, we'll cover everything you need to know to start making money on Instagram. We'll break it down step by step. No jargon, no complicated instructions, just simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow. Get ready to become an Instagram money magnet. With the right strategies and a bit of dedication, you can turn your Instagram account into a powerful income-generating tool. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started on your journey to financial freedom with Instagram. Why is Instagram so great for making money? Let me tell you. First, everyone's on it, millions and millions of users. That's a huge audience for your awesome products or services. Second, Instagram is visual. People love pictures and videos. It's the best way to show off what you're selling. Third, Instagram is easy to use. You can post in seconds, no need to be a computer whiz. AI stands for artificial intelligence. Sounds complicated, right? Don't worry, it's actually your new best friend. AI can help you create amazing content. Think eye-catching photos and videos. AI can write catchy captions. It can even find the best hashtags for your posts. This means more people will see your stuff, and more people mean more money. Ready to unleash the power of AI? There are tons of cool tools out there. Canva is great for designing stunning graphics. Lumen 5 can help you make awesome videos in minutes. For writing killer captions, try Copy.ai. And for finding the perfect hashtags, check out #ify.me. These tools are like having a whole team of experts working for you 24/7. Section 5, step by step, using AI to create killer content. All right, let's create some content. First, open up Canva. Canva is a versatile design tool that allows you to create stunning visuals for your social media posts. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, Canva has something for everyone. You can choose a template or start from scratch. Canva offers a wide range of templates tailored for different social media platforms, including Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. These templates are designed to make your content creation process smooth and efficient. Add your own images or pick from Canva's library. Canva's extensive image library includes millions of high-quality photos, illustrations, and icons. You can easily search for images that match your brand's aesthetic and add them to your design with just a few clicks. Then use AI to create variations of your image. Canva's AI-powered tools can help you generate multiple versions of your design, allowing you to experiment with different layouts, colors, and styles. This feature is particularly useful for A/B testing and finding the most engaging design for your audience. Next, head over to Copy.ai. Copy.ai is an AI-driven platform that helps you create compelling copy for your social media posts. It's perfect for those times when you're struggling to find the right words to convey your message. Tell it what your post is about. Simply input a brief description of your post, including key details such as the topic, target audience, and desired tone. The more specific you are, the better the AI can tailor the content to your needs. Boom! AI will generate several caption options. Within seconds, Copied AI will provide you with a variety of caption suggestions. These options can range from short and snappy to detailed and informative, giving you plenty of choices to suit your brand's voice. Pick your favorite and tweak it to make it your own. While the AI-generated captions are a great starting point, it's important to personalize them to reflect your unique style and voice. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure the final caption aligns with your brand's messaging and resonates with your audience. Once your content is ready, it's time to publish and monitor its performance. Use social media analytics tools to track engagement metrics such as likes, comments, shares, and click-through rates. This data will help you understand what works and what doesn't, allowing you to refine your content strategy over time. Remember, creating killer content is an ongoing process. Continuously brainstorm new ideas, experiment with different formats, and leverage AI tools to stay ahead of the curve. By combining creativity with technology, you can create content that not only captures attention but also drives meaningful engagement. And there you have it. With the power of AI, creating killer content has never been easier. So go ahead, unleash your creativity and watch your social media presence soar to new heights. Section 6, hashtags, captions, and AI. Oh my, in this section, we dive deep into the world of social media optimization. Whether you're a seasoned influencer or just starting out, understanding how to effectively use hashtags and captions can make a world of difference. Hashtags are like magic words that help people find your posts, but finding the right ones can be tricky. Think of hashtags as the breadcrumbs that lead people to your content. They categorize your posts and make them discoverable to a wider audience. However, the challenge lies in choosing the right hashtags that are both relevant and popular. Don't worry, AI is here to help. With advancements in artificial intelligence, the process of selecting the perfect hashtags has become much simpler. AI tools analyze vast amounts of data to identify which hashtags are trending and which ones are most likely to boost your post's visibility. Use a tool like Hashtagify.me. This tool is a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their social media presence. By leveraging AI, Hashtagify.me provides insights into hashtag popularity, usage trends, and even related hashtags that you might not have considered. Type in your keywords and it will suggest the best hashtags to use. Simply enter a keyword related to your post and watch as the tool generates a list of the most effective hashtags. This not only saves you time, but also ensures that your posts reach the right audience. AI can also help you write better captions. Crafting the perfect caption can be just as important as choosing the right hashtags. A well-written caption can engage your audience, evoke emotions, and encourage interactions. Use it to find the right words to grab attention and make people want to learn more. AI tools can analyze the tone, sentiment, and structure of your captions, offering suggestions to make them more compelling. Whether you're aiming for humor, inspiration, or information, AI can help you strike the right chord with your audience. In conclusion, the combination of hashtags, captions, and AI can significantly elevate your social media game. By utilizing these tools, you can ensure that your content stands out in the crowded digital landscape. So embrace the power of AI and watch your social media presence soar. Section 7. Insta Stories that sell AI to the rescue. Want to make your Insta Stories pop? AI can help. Use an app like InShot to add cool effects, music, and transitions. You can even use AI to automatically generate subtitles for your videos. This makes them more accessible to a wider audience. Remember, the more people who see your stories, the more chances you have to make money. Section 8. Real people, real money, Instagram AI success stories. Don't just take our word for it. People are making real money with AI on Instagram every day. Take Sarah, for example. She started a small online jewelry business. Using AI tools, she created stunning product photos and engaging videos. Her follower count skyrocketed, and so did her sales. Now she's making more money than she ever dreamed of. Section 9, Pro Tips. Level up your Insta-Game with AI. Ready to become an Instagram pro? Here are some bonus tips. First, be consistent. Post regularly so your followers don't forget about you. Second, engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages. Run polls and Q&A sessions. Third, use a mix of content. Don't just post about your products or services. Share behind-the-scenes glimpses and personal stories. Section 10. Ready to cash in? Subscribe now. So what are you waiting for? Instagram and AI are the perfect recipe for making money online. Start using these tools and strategies today, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome tips and tricks. We'll help you turn your Instagram dreams into dollar signs.